speed in solids. So here is the material required for this activity: a thread, length of your arm, and 2 metal spoons. You have to note the thread, the back side of the spoon as like it, and let's start the activity. If you want to see the results of activity, you have to perform it with me. So when we tap these spoons at the table, we got the sound from the air to our ears. If we want to hear through the solids, we have to wrap this thread in our fingers and put it in our ears. Here you can see that we hang our spoons like it and put the fingers in our ear, and we have to hit these spoons to the table as like it. Now you are able to hear temple bell like sound.